Well, I love my composts. I've got them in my raised vegetable beds, one in each bed, and they're just recycling and improving the soil for me without me having to do any work except throw the vegetables in, the vegetable scraps in. It's just great.
And do you put any meat in them or anything like that?
Yeah, I put small amounts of meat, which means I don't have to go to the dump. Because I don't have rubbish delivery, so I find it's really fantastic for getting rid of all the smelly waste. I just wander down to the vegetable patch. It makes me go to the veggie patch every day too to check on the vegetables because I'm going down there to put my scraps in. Oh, I love it. I couldn't speak more highly of them. And it's just easier because I'm not disturbing the vegetable patch. The soil's being improved by itself and I don't have to disturb it, which I really like too. It's great for the veggies.
So I use a Compot, and it's really easy. It's the easiest compost system that I've used. Just no effort, and it just keeps making my garden really beautiful.
Awesome. Do you put everything in it?
Yeah, actually, and I put quite large pieces in it as well.
So you don't need to chop anything up?
No, and it just gets used really effortlessly.
We've had pots in various parts of our gardens for easily the last 5 years. They're absolutely amazing, and the amount of worms in the garden beds has increased phenomenally, and the plants that are near the compost bins are great. I never fertilise, I don't have to.
And do you put everything in your pots?
We do, like obviously not meat scraps, but yeah, vegetable cuttings and all that sort of thing. And even when we put in quite large pieces, the worms still manage to break them down.
And you've also got the soldier flies in there?
Yes, we've got the soldier flies. Is it mealy grubs? We've got something else as well as the worms. But yeah, they're just great. And I get tomato bushes popping up every now and again, and they are the best tomatoes I've ever grown.
Hi everybody, we got this about 3 weeks ago, and we've got 5 of them for a family of 4, and I've actually just buried only 3 of them in the yard, and it's managing our extreme amount of compost. We've got a vegetarian and we lots of vegetables. I filled one of them up twice, and it's already nearly gone down again in that short period of time, so highly rate it. Doesn't stink.
Easy to use. Yeah, you can put them wherever you need to put them to get access to them. Makes it convenient. Just, can't say enough good things about it.
Awesome, guys, thank you. And listen, do you put meat in them?
Did you put meat in
We haven't yet. We haven't eaten a lot of meat at home lately, but yeah, we will give it a crack.
But otherwise happy?
Very happy.
Yeah.
Awesome, thanks guys.
You bet.
Okay.